your Texas garden looks more like Jumanji, then perhaps I can help. From lawn mowing and repairs through to tree work, branch lopping, ground clearance and aquatic solutions, we design, build, maintain and enhance your outside space. My name is Rupert Ellis. Hi. And if I can be of any service to you, feel free to give me a call on 512-466-5880 or feel free to look us up at texasgarden.com, and that's TXGARDEN.com. Thank you. You'll probably notice behind me a fair amount of debris now, and I'm probably midway through the Jumanji project. So literally a few days on the brush cutter, chainsaw, weed eater and pole saw later, and the majority of the mulberry has now been removed. Well, not so much removed as cut down and trimmed. There is a brush pile behind me. I'm not even sure I can see it. Yeah, you can't notice it in the background, but it stands maybe 25 feet tall at the moment. It's 30 foot by 20 foot as well, and that's the brush pile so far. There's a burn ban in place at the moment, so there's no point me trying to kid myself that I'm going to be finishing this anytime soon. But in terms of the actual groundwork itself, a fair amount of effort has gone into it so far, and as you can see, it's a bit different from how it was. There's a phrase in English about not being able to see the wood for the trees. Well, now we can actually see the wood, and that's the oak wood for the mulberry trees. So, midway. So I must have thrown a double six, because it looks like I'm coming to the end of our Jumanji contract, and behind me you can see the pile of scrub, which is some 12 to 15 feet high. It's 25 feet by maybe 20 feet, and that's without the hardwood that's behind to create the kind of the burn pile later on. Now there's a burn ban in place here in southern Texas because it's scorchio. It is absolutely scorchio. So we'll be back to finish it off another day. But let me show you the big reveal. Now remember, we couldn't see anything in the garden before, let alone the fact that there were neighbours next door and so on. And look, there's a house, and there's another house behind me as well. So it starts to give you a flavour. So when I mentioned Jumanji, sometimes, gardens get beyond our control. That's just life, isn't it? Things change in our lives. Time is pressing, and health issues and so on. Not everybody has time to maintain their garden. So if I can help you, I will do. My name is Rupert Ellis. I'm English. I'm a Texan now. I've been a Texan for a while, and I love my life here. I operate a business called Texas Garden, and that's TXGARDEN.com. And I serve Caldwell County, Hayes County, Comal County as well. I'm active in San Marcos and New Braunfels predominantly. If I can help you, whether it be for lawn maintenance, repair and mowing, tree work, groundwork, general labouring, I even cook. I'm actually a pretty good cook. Anyway, one of the things as well, I don't see very many ponds here in Texas, but I'm an aquatic gardener. I've got 25 years worth of that. Yeah, 25 years worth of aquatic gardening, koi pools and that kind of thing. If I can be of any help to you, give me a call, 512-466-5880. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. It's been the end of a very long week. Thanks for watching, and if I can be of any service, give me a call. Thanks again.